Complement the smooth texture of pudding with the nutty crunch of Good Day Wonderfuls in this delectable biscuit pudding. Hi guys, I'm Afraz and in the true spirit of Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today I'll be showing you an amazing biscuit pudding with Good Day Wonderfuls. So first up, I'm going to start with the custard. For that, I'm going to heat up a pan to which I'll add milk and I'm going to wait till it comes to a boil. Next, I'm going to separate 2 egg yolks. And now 1 whole egg. I'm going to add castor sugar, vanilla essence, pinch of cardamom, a pinch of nutmeg, and then I'm going to whisk all this together nicely. So once the eggs are nicely beaten and the milk here also have come to a boil, I'm going to shut the gas and now I'm going to add a splash of milk and mix this well. This is called tempering the egg. If you add all of the hot milk to the eggs will curdle because they start cooking up and the egg starts coagulating. So this is a very important tip and this is your chunkiest tip of the day. Now let's add the remaining hot milk. Mix the custard well. So here our custard is ready. I'm going to set this aside so that the air settles down and there are no air pockets. And then we are going to start working on the biscuit pudding. So here I have Britannia Good Day Wonderfuls. I'm just going to break them randomly and put this into the baking dish. Britannia Good Day Wonderful adds a nutty and chocolatey twist to the smooth texture of the pudding. So this is done. Look how easy it was. Now I'm going to strain the custard. And now let's pour this warm custard over the biscuit. So the biscuit is going to absorb the milk and become nice and soft. Beautiful. So this is done and now this is ready to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. Looks delicious and hot. Biscuit pudding is ready. So now I'm going to cut this. Take a nice good looking plate and over here I have some berry compote. So just gently remove the pudding. Place it right here. And pudding are always incomplete without an ice cream. So a nice dollop of ice cream. Some fresh blueberries. And a nice fresh mint sprig. And there you have it, a unique biscuit pudding with Wonderfuls twist is ready. Spread the joy of Britannia Dessert Carnival by sharing and liking this video. Also don't forget to subscribe for more such sweet treat.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.